Hello everyone and welcome back to Neil's Display. Come with this viral math question and try to solve by your own and comment in this video to feature in our shortcut list. Coming to this question, 60 divided by 1 by 6 into 6. So if you think you are solving like 60 divided by 1 by 6 times 6, 6 times 1, 6 times 1 and 60 divided by 1 which give us 60. Do you think this is the right answer? No, you are wrong. So what will be the right way? We will take help with the PEMDAS. Okay, and here the two operations are there, division and multiplication, and as we know both have the same priority and we have to solve from left to right. So first we have to operate this part. Okay, we will write again our question again. 60 divided by 1 by 6 times 6. We have to solve this division part first. So what we have, 60 divided by 1 by 6. So here to solve this we will apply the KCF rule. KCF stands for K for keep. We have to keep 60 as it is. Change, we have to change the division into multiplication, and we have to flip this 1 by 6 into 6 by 1 times 6. So our final answer will be what? Nothing but 60 into 6 into 6. 60 times 6, that is equal to 360 into 6. 6 times 0, 0. 6 times 6, that is 36. 6 times 3, 18, 19, 20, 21. So your right answer will be, I can write here, 2160 is the right answer. Try to solve this math question. These are also very difficult, very tricky one. And subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.